In this quick video, we will demonstrate how to use Kupo's revolutionary three-way clamp. I think you'll agree that it is like no other clamp you have ever seen. This all-metal cast aluminum clamp features a unique spring locking mechanism that allows you to instantly latch and release the locking collar around any tubing size from 1 to 1.4 inches in diameter. Press the button to release the latch. Close the clamp around the riser sections and press the button again to close the latch. Just a quick turn of the tension handle to secure it in place. The three-way clamp has 3 recessed mounting locations, distributed in 90-degree increments to accept a series of interchangeable accessories. Take any of the three-way clamp accessories, like this short baby stud. Slide the notch into the clamp and tighten the locking collar. Now you're ready to mount light fixtures or any other accessory up to 66 pounds or 30 kilograms. There are 3 different accessories available for the three-way clamp system: the long baby stud, the short baby stud, and the baby receiver. Here we have a Profoto Giant umbrella. We can attach the three-way clamp around the shaft of the umbrella. We now have 3 secure locations to mount 3 Profoto heads. By using combinations of 3 packs and 3 heads, we can increase our exposure by 1.5 f-stops. Just think of all the ways this clamp can make your life easier. Thank you for watching. When it comes to your vision and your image-making equipment, at Kupo, we simply say, never let go.